There are currently 1,033,513 registered Syrian refugees in Lebanon. Of these, 70% are living below the poverty line and 50% in extreme poverty. Syrians are falling further into poverty with increasing vulnerabilities. The harsh winter is approaching Bekaa, where approximately 500,000 Syrians are seeking refuge.
Look here. بالشتاء بس يصير مطر تنزل. لاحظ المي. لاحظ. نوم ما في. نحن ما بننام.
These are the conditions for hundreds of thousands of Syrian refugees living in tents in the Bekaa Valley. Temperatures reach as low as -15 degrees. The winters are harsh. The needs are obvious and the scale is massive. We are requesting $100,000 to address these needs and to ease their suffering during winter. Please enable us to help them by donating now.